kanso ya Munisiparite y'Ibanda izoba yabe y'omutano bwanyuma ya speaker kugibinga eji yatandika ekyerrirwe zirikuza kubashaha mushanju kandi ba kansara bake nibo barebekaho ekyarebeka nk'ekigenderirwe kandi bwanyuma y'okutandika nikwe kwihayo engenderwaho zirikworeka kanso egi ngu teshemereire kugenda omu maisho.
So, Mr. Speaker, I wanted to say that when you look at what is developed in this room, there was no preparedness for this meeting. Because tukija mu kanso tukashanga ekindi close kukumbura yo kukoze ki okwechinji, you can see all these things. An indication that either the executive or the town clerk's office was not prepared for today's meeting. So no one, that is why there is no quorum.
Ba kansara 10 bonka nibo bayetaba mu kanso egi ahari 22.
He's saying that if for the resumption of proceedings after the expiry of 15 minutes, the number of members present is still less than 50% of all members of the council, then the speaker shall suspend the sitting or adjourn the council without question put. So, Mr. Speaker, I believe that if we adjourn the house, then we are going to go out and organize and ensure that the councillors, who are very much sure that they are being hidden somewhere by our own people here. So, mobilizing vision, otherwise, they would shasha,
and you are very right. For that matter, therefore, honorable members, let's hope maybe maybe some members now hiding about I'm going to give it some minutes as the law states it very clear on Rule 19 and related some rules. And after those 15 minutes, we shall come back here. If we fail to constitute the quorum still, I will adjourn and guide the house.
Yabanza kuhumuraho edakiika 15 ngo bundi ba kansara bakarebekaho bitwa hanyuma y'edakiika ezi tine warebekaho cyaretera speaker gukoresha ubushobozi bwe.
Tureba mu spine quorum. Kandi as I said, twode bintu biri mu mateka. So tukuza kwikiriza urukiko gumizamu
amakuru agabanagara bamugabana goreka ngo ba kansara baazira kanso egi kandi babahinaho bababeteranire barukurundana emikono yo kwihamu speaker obwesige kandi ayitwakorera amakuru agababa batakarebekereho n'ekihandiko kyabo ekyaretera ba kansara bakiika okubacwa busha. Gashakwa Timothy Mushabe.